Welcome back to Home Sweet Home Cooking. I'm your host Rocky in my mother's kitchen. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
She's over there. She's tuckered out already. She had a long day of walking through the store. So today I'll be the one doing the cooking. She'll be here for the tasting.
Yes.
This is called graham cracker cookies with coconut. It is supposed to be like the Girl Scout Samoa's cookies. So we'll see how close it is. It's real simple. It's 4 ingredients. It's 3 cups of crushed graham cracker. Each pack of this is 1.5, so you're going to need 2 cups or 2 packs of the graham crackers. There's 3 in a box, so keep that in mind. If you're going to do 1 box will make you 2 boxes will make 3 batches if you're going to try to make more than 1 batch. So 2 of those sleeves equals 3 cups. 1 can, it calls for fat-free sweetened condensed milk. We just stock the regular sweetened condensed milk, so that's what it's getting. 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1.5 cups of coconut. 4 ingredients, that's it. Preheat in the oven to 350 degrees. It did not say to do it on a greased baking sheet, so when in doubt, line it with parchment paper. So I've got 2 sheets here lined with parchment paper ready to go. To this, I'm going to go ahead and add the chocolate chips first. I'm just going to give them a little mix so they're kind of spread out a little bit to start with. Then I'm going to add the sweetened condensed milk.
You're going to say, do you want a spoon, but you got a spatula?
Nope, got a spatula.
You want me to roll them?
Nah, you can have a break today.
Okay.
You've worked hard.
Like a beer.
Yeah, she had to go to the store to get beer, and of course we went to Walmart, and Walmart carries it at the back of the store, so, and they don't do the beer at grocery pickup for the outside pickup, so she had a hike. I was actually in the car the whole time getting the groceries picked up. Not that I wanted to make her walk, but I got bad knees too, so it hurts me to walk. She had to go in for pharmacy pickup, so it's not like she wasn't going in anyway. Alright, now I'm just going to give this a mix together until it forms, I don't know what they call it, until the crumbs are moistened. So basically, until you don't see the sweetened condensed milk anymore. And it kind of, you want to be able, it's going to have to form the balls, so they've got to all be kind of sticking together. These are the kind of recipes I really like. You know, small ingredients. You don't need to pull the stand mixer out for this one.
That's another job.
Yeah, for us, because she likes to store hers. I would keep mine on the counter for as much as we use it. I think if it's out on the counter, we probably use it more.
Yeah, but my counter is full of your father's pills.
Yeah. Okay, they look like they're pretty well all moistened. Get the last little stir in there. I don't know how big they're supposed to be, so it says by the rounded tablespoon. I'm just going to use this little cookie thingy thing, scooper, and I'm going to put them right in the 1.5 cup measuring to roll them in the coconut. So I'm going to kind of make a little ball out of it, drop it in, and I'm just going to roll it, toss it, and I'm going to do that a bunch more times and get them laid out. Once you get them laid out and you have your whole sheet done, you're supposed to flatten them slightly. So that's what I'm going to go for. I'm going to get these laid out, get them in the oven, and it says to bake for 11 minutes. So I'm going to roll them out, bake them, and be back, and we'll let them cool and get a taste. Out of the oven, cooled off enough to eat. They're not cool yet, but definitely cool enough to eat, and we're curious, so here we go.
You see, I showed up for this. We can make Girl Scout cookies.
They don't taste exactly like the Samoas,
but very similar.
Yeah, it's definitely a good treat. I like these. 4 simple ingredients. I would say if you had an older child, they could probably do this on their own. But with the fact that you're opening up a can, you got the sharp lid, I would say adult supervision with a younger child. But this would definitely be something that you could do with kids. You could drop it out in the oatmeal, in the coconut, and roll it around and put it on there and smush it. They could do that. They could mix it. Doesn't make a whole lot of dishes either. A bowl, a spatula. You can do it with one measuring cup if you do it right, and another smaller bowl to roll the coconut. So not a whole lot of dishes. 12 minutes in. I think they went about 12 minutes in our oven. But they're creamy. They're sweet.
They're good.
Mm-hmm.
Dean might even eat these.
He might. It's chocolate chips and it's a cookie. So I'm not saying these taste exactly like the Girl Scout cookies, but I know I'm gonna make some more of these.
Got it.
See what I did there? Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the video. I'm trying to grow the channel. If you have other these Girl Scout cookie rip-off recipes, please post them. I like doing rip-off recipes like this for the bake stuff. Or KFC, if you got... I have a recipe that I have found for the KFC rip-off recipe. But they're getting tired of chicken, so we're not going to do that one for a while. But again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.